Alright, good afternoon, YouTube. I would like to show off how to put your rear seats down flat. Please excuse the mess in the back. I refuse to clean it. So you want to take both fingers just like that. Pull up so it drops the headrest and the seat. And that is one seat down. And then if we go to the other side, on this side, it's the same process, and it brings both down. And what I like with this car too is that you can just put the middle one down if you wanted by pulling up, and just the middle goes down. And typically, hold on, give me 1 second. Usually it will want to fold the headrest. There we go. Okay. And then you can have just the one. Then you can put your headrest back up. And if you do have a rear seat passenger, you can lift the center. A lot of these tasks take 2 hands, so I apologize. You can lift the headrest in the center too. Just like that. Now you're good for passengers. If you want to put it down, hold the button, push it down. Get the cup holders back here and the storage. All right. That is the rear seat. So thank you for watching and have a great night.